everyone, Jeff here. Welcome back to Imagination Tech. So it is a nice, bright and sunny December 23rd. It's tomorrow's Christmas Eve, and the following day obviously is Christmas. And I am here at Scout Barrio at one of our favorite flying fields, and it is just me and this field. So unfortunately I forgot to charge my battery, so I'm doing some field charging right now. That's my solar generator that's been powering up a lot of my appliances and laptops, and I use it as a field battery when I'm out in the field, and it's been serving me for about 6 months, and I will have a video about that very soon, especially on the topic of why I think this is better than what you can buy from EcoFlow or Bluetti or any of those major big brands. So today I'm going to be talking about the 2023 year-end mountain surfing challenge. So we've been having this since 2021, and I'm pretty sure some people are already waiting for it since I've been pretty much mum about the topic for this year, and it's already quite late into the year. But yes, we are still going to be having our mountain surfing and long range challenge. Just like last year, we will be having prizes for before we go on to that, this year we have Pinoy FPV, Kaiju Power, and myself. I think GoPro is also on board, providing some of the prizes, sponsoring some of the prizes for this year. And we'll see. Maybe we'll get a few more sponsors for prizes. So do stay tuned. But I'm hoping you're joining this challenge to push yourself to the limit and really grow yourself as a pilot, not just because of the prizes. But hopefully we can get something in to make things more interesting. So just like last year, we will be having a prize for the longest fixed wing category, the longest range. What do you call this? So just like last year, we'll be having prizes for the long range fixed wing, long range multi-rotor, and as well as the best mountain surfing edit video. And this year we're going to have a little bit more bonus prizes, I think. Commonly when we think about long range, we think about high wattage VTXs and just really trying to push the VTX to its max power to get the maximum range. But one of the bonus prizes for this year is trying to get the longest range with the how do you say it, with the lowest power setting on your VTX. So if you're flying analog and you do, let's say, 5 kilometers, but it's on 25 milliwatts, then that's going to net you more points. Basically what we're going to do is divide the distance by the VTX power. So obviously if you're doing 5 kilometers but you're doing 1 watt on your VTX, that's going to be just 5 points, as opposed to doing 5 kilometers on 25 milliwatts. I'm not even sure that's possible, but on 25 milliwatts, 5 kilometers divided by 25 milliwatts, that's like, I don't know, 40 points, 400 points. I'm not really sure about the math right now, but that's basically how it's going to go. If you can go a long distance with the lowest amount of power, then that's going to net you more prizes. And we're also going to be figuring out how to. I mean, last year it wasn't about the VTX. It was just about how far you can go. So it didn't matter if you're analog or digital. Obviously, for the we have to separate the bonus prizes between the analog and the digital VTX, because those are really different creatures. So basically that's going to be it. We're going to be fleshing out the details. Most of the rules are going to be pretty much the same as last year. Also this year, we are going to be categorizing any distance less than 5 kilometers or less as the amateur category, or beginners category, and anything above 5 kilometers, we're going to be putting it into the open category. So this is on top of the other prizes. Maybe I'll flesh out the details, but basically if you don't have to register to join this competition. You just have to post your video in the Mountain Surfers group. Everything's linked down below. But if you pass 5 kilometers, then we'll put you into another category. But again, that depends on how many people are going to be submitting or joining. But I'm hoping a lot more people will be joining in both going for the 5 kilometer beginner category and the above 5 kilometer open category. So let's see. But yeah, that is going to be a quick update. We're going to be starting this challenge sometime this December. Hopefully I'm going to be putting this out before the new year, and then you know, I'll give you 2 or 3 weeks, maybe 4 weeks until the end of January to post your videos and to see who's going to be the 2023 champions for mountain surfing as well as the long range categories. All right, so I am going to be leaving you with that. I'm wishing you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I'm going to be continuing to fly by myself here. See ya.